Guys, I'm back, and as I promised, I am going to show you a demonstration of how it toasts. So right out before we I'm filming!
Sorry.
Right before, you just want to make sure. You want to make sure you put the level where you want the toast. Now me, I'm not much of a heavy toast guy. Like, not as I don't eat toast, but as in I don't want it burnt either. So where's the fucking thing? I can't see it. Is that the fucking thing? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, I'm looking through the camera so I can't tell. Fucking focus. Shit. Focus. 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 God fucking damn this phone. This way, I need a fucking camera. This way, I need you guys to watch these fucking videos so I can afford a camera. I have disposable income. God fucking damn it. Damn it. You can see my legs now. Shit. Just focus, please. Jesus. What do you want? Okay, there. No, keep it. So there's, I think, fucking six levels. I'm gonna put it right around the 4.5. Right there. Right there. Sure. Fuck. I wish this thing clicked. Jesus. Okay. Right off the bat, we have some nons and some cons. What the fuck? It comes out the side? Who makes the toaster cable come out the side of the toaster? See, again, some cons right off the bat. But you know, I already have some pros. The fact that it looks nice and it's an oval shape. That's actually the reason I bought it. That and the warming button. That's a true story. I originally bought another toaster and god damn it. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna speak up a little bit and I bought another toaster because I had this whole deal with Walmart trying to get the damn toaster, and then they were like, no, because I was like, they declined my card. I ran out of money to buy toasters. Okay. Shit, I don't know which way I had it. Fuck, I don't want to film it upside down. Ah, shit, I think it was like this. I think this should be. I hope it's not backwards from here on out. I'll just fix it. Whatever. That's fine. Okay, now we're gonna plug it in. There it is. Is that as long as it is? I guess they don't want a long toaster. Okay, let's plug it in. I'm not gonna stick my fingers in it. Fuck. Come on. Stupid toaster. There we go. Here's the butter and the bread, and here's the knife. Okay, the butter spreading knife. Okay, so fucking hell, I need a thing that holds my phone. Thing to hold. Oh. Okay, I have to use my mouth a little bit, but that's completely sanitary. So we're gonna put the bread in. We're gonna put only one slice, just to really give it a challenge. I'm sure it's used to doing 2 slices, but now we'll only do. There's like my old toaster had one that said only like here's the 1 slice spot. Okay, so again, make sure this is in the right place. Yes. And everything's ready to go. So toast is, yeah, and stays. And it's telling me I put it in 4. Okay. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'll unpause it to put butter whenever it's done. Oh, that looks nice. There you go. So I'm gonna pause it right now and I'll see you guys in a bit. There you go. That should work. Oh, that fucking worked. Las llamadas y se chingan. Estoy haciendo un video. Pueden. Estoy con la televisión.
Me está faltando ahí.
Comprar. Ay. Está oliendo este tostado, huele a caliente. Uy. Tal vez fuera limpiado. Should have cleaned it. Where's my phone? Pause the video.
¿Qué algo? ¿Huele mal?
Oh, it has a timer. Tiene un timer. Te dice cuándo va a estar listo. Te da un Te da un timer. Te dice cuándo va a estar listo. What the fuck is that? Is that bread? So I can just put I can put the video up before I can start it up again slightly before it goes off. It's almost ready. Okay. Alright. I'm about to film this. Ah, fuck. I think I didn't pause it. Shit, you guys missed it. It got launched off. Okay. Fuck. Okay, you know what's whatever. It's okay. It's okay. Just put that there. Water. This will act as your plate for now. And let's... Ow, fuck. It's hot. Ow, fuck. It's hot. Ow. Oh, that was a 4 and it burned. I'm gonna put this shit on a 3 or something next time. That's too much. That's not frozen or nothing. Okay. Time to get some butter. So right off the bat, we didn't even go like 6 out of 7. It goes all the way to fucking 7. Okay. So 4 burns your toast, but it's too thin. And that doesn't seem right to me, because it's a 4 out of 7. It's not a fucking... It's not even halfway, you know? It's not even halfway yet. Oh, fuck. I can't spread. So... I don't think that was a pro. I think that was a con. The fact that it burnt the bread at level 4. Okay. But, you know, a toaster's job is not only to toast it, but to make it taste good when it comes out. So, I'm about to taste this. Looks good. Okay. I'm not gonna film myself tasting it, so you guys will go there. Has some good toast. Fuck, it's falling apart. Okay. It's fine. I'll just do this. There you go. That's nice. And a little bit more butter. Very nice. Let me just do it again. No, I did toast.
¿Eres tú?
Yeah. Okay. So, I'm gonna put this right there. I'm kidding. That's too much. Put it there. I'm just gonna put that right back. And I think that's it, guys. I think if this toaster out of 7 stars, I think this is a 4. So not even halfway. So there you go, guys. That's the Fuck. I forgot the name of it. Toaster.